How to schedule a TikTok video. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply open up App Store. In the search bar, you have to search for TikTok Studio. Once you have searched for it, you can simply download this application in your mobile device. Once downloaded, head back to your home screen and then open it up and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you can simply tap on this plus button. Now tap on Upload. Right over here, choose your video or photo you would like to schedule, then tap on Next. Inside here, you can add your music, make your edits, and after you're done, tap on Next. Now you will be able to find an option that says Schedule Post. Tap onto it, and now set your timer according to your preferences. After that, you can simply tap on Done, then tap on Schedule, and that's it. Your TikTok video will automatically get posted at your chosen time. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.